Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We got major Hurricane Milton here with 175 mile per hour winds, way over what you need for a Category 5. This is a very strong Category 5 hurricane that exploded in intensity overnight from a Category 1 to a Category 5, the second storm ever to strengthen that fast. And the current winds, again, 175 miles per hour. The pressure is 911 millibars, moving east at 9 miles an hour. And the most important thing you need to know is that this is going to hit the west coast of Florida, somewhere between Tampa and Fort Myers. The consensus remains similar as yesterday. Some additional models are taking it a little further north than yesterday, so it's a very, very scary situation for Tampa. If we look at the spaghetti models, you can see much of the consensus is the same around the Fort Myers area, and then a lot of it around Tampa, and you can see a lot of them are just north of Tampa, and that's what I'm concerned about. If the storm makes a landfall, the center of it is just to the north of Tampa Bay. That is the worst case scenario, and that will cause extreme storm surge, record storm surge possible, inland inundation into the Tampa downtown area will be very likely if that happens. If the storm were to stay further south, then you don't get as much storm surge in Tampa Bay. You get the north part of the storm. You're still going to get a lot of rain, a lot of wind, but the potential for devastating storm surge goes down. So where is Milton going after this? It looks like it's going to remain a Category 5 here for a while and then slowly weaken, but weaken is not the term I really would want to use, because this storm is actually going to expand in size as it moves towards Florida. And so even if it only makes a landfall near or north of Tampa as a Category 3 storm, there's still going to be all that upwelling water, all that huge storm surge from when it was a Category 4 and 5, and it could still come ashore as a Category 4. Don't focus so much on the category as the path, as where the eye is going to go and the worst of the storm surge. And speaking of storm surge, here we go. Here's the official storm surge forecast. The north part of Florida is 2 to 5 feet, 8 to 12 feet of storm surge, a good bet in the Tampa Bay area, Sarasota area, 5 to 10 feet of storm surge in the Fort Myers area, and 4 to 7 feet of storm surge near the Naples area. So significant storm surge and record storm surge is possible in the Tampa Bay area, up to 20 feet. Up to 20 feet of storm surge is possible if this storm tracks just to the north of Tampa. So a very dire situation going on right now, and I want everybody to know that if you are in an evacuation zone, you need to leave now. This is the largest evacuation in a very long time, and you can bet that this storm is going to pack a devastating impact, unfortunately, for Florida. But for now, that's all I have. I hope everybody stays safe. I'm praying for you all on the west coast, or really the whole state of Florida there. The whole peninsula going to be impacted by this storm. So everybody just hunker down. Make sure if you're in an evacuation zone, you evacuate. And thanks for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video.